Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how to read input register value of your Modbus TCP IP device using JavaScript. Okay, now in this video we will see how to read coil status of your Modbus TCP IP device using JavaScript. So again, your JavaScript code will act as a Modbus TCP IP client and you will read the coil status from your Modbus TCP IP device. It can be your physical Modbus TCP IP device or it can be simulated Modbus TCP IP device. I don't have any physical device, so that's why I am using OpenModSim software to simulate my Modbus TCP IP device. And you can see here I am simulating 3 coils value. Okay, and we can use this as a Modbus device and we can read the coil status using JavaScript. So let's see how you can do that. So once you download the code, you will have these 3 files. Okay, now this is the main file, or you can say this is the JavaScript file which we are going to run to read the coil status. But to run this file, we need to install the libraries. So for that, what you can do is you can open the command prompt at this location and you can run the command npm install to install the necessary library in your system. Okay, so once library is installed, you will see the message, and also you will see this folder inside the main folder, node_modules. So everything is installed successfully, all the libraries are available. Now we can run our JavaScript code, read coils.js, to read the coil status of our Modbus TCP IP device at interval of 1 second. So to run the code of JavaScript, you can type node and then read coils.js. Okay, you can see it will run the coil status at every second. Okay, you can see true, false, false, true, true, false, because this first and second coil will toggle at every second, and the last coil is also toggling at every second. So that's why you will see the update for this 3 coil, first, second, and the last one. Okay, you can also use this code to read the data from your physical Modbus devices. Also, you can use it to read the data from your simulated Modbus devices. So that is possible with the JavaScript. So I hope this thing is clear, that how you can use JavaScript to read the coil status of your Modbus TCP IP device. Now let me show you the code. So this is the code to read the coil status of your Modbus TCP IP device. Now here you have to provide the IP address of your Modbus TCP IP device. But we are running our simulator in localhost, so that is why we are providing localhost as IP address, or you can say 127.0.0.1. The port number is 502 because this Modbus simulated device is running on the port 502, as you can see here. Okay, so that's why port 502. Now we are going to read 8 coil. So we have starting 0 and we will read 8 coil. So that's why I have mentioned 8 here. And then after, you can see set interval. So we are going to read the data, or we are going to read the coil at interval of 1 second. So every second we will read the coil status. So that's why the interval is 1000 milliseconds. So you can say 1 second. Okay, so this is how the code is designed. Okay, and if you want to get the code, then you can go to our website and you can click here to get the code. Okay, so this is how you can use JavaScript to read the coil status of your Modbus TCP IP device. Now, if you have any questions or any doubt, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Also, you can comment on this video. Also, you can send me a mail. Now we will meet you in the next video, and in the next video we will see how to read discrete input status of your Modbus TCP IP device using JavaScript instead of coil status. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.